According to the National Electrical Code, specifically Section 312.3, panelboards shall not be located in the vicinity of easily ignitable materials. This regulation aims to minimize the risk of fire hazards associated with electrical equipment. The presence of readily combustible materials near a panelboard could lead to a rapid and uncontrolled fire in the event of an electrical fault, such as a short circuit or an arc flash. It's crucial to maintain a safe distance between panelboards and any materials that could easily catch fire, such as flammable liquids, gases, or solids. The specific distance may be further defined by local codes or regulations, so always consult with the authority having jurisdiction for clarification. Next, Section 312.2b of the NEC prohibits the installation of panelboards in bathrooms. This restriction is primarily due to the increased risk of electric shock in bathrooms, where water is commonly present. Bathrooms are considered damp or wet locations, and the combination of water and electricity can create a dangerous environment. While ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, protection is required for receptacles in bathrooms, the NEC takes a more conservative approach by prohibiting panelboards altogether. This helps to minimize the potential for electrical accidents and ensures the safety of occupants. In addition to bathrooms, Section 312.2c of the NEC states that panelboards shall not be located in damp or wet locations. This regulation is similar to the bathroom restriction and aims to prevent electric shock hazards. Damp locations are areas that are subject to moderate degrees of moisture, such as some basements, barns, and cold storage warehouses. Wet locations are areas that are subject to saturation with water or other liquids, such as car washes, unprotected locations exposed to weather, and locations subject to flooding. Installing panelboards in these environments increases the risk of corrosion, insulation breakdown, and electrical faults, which can lead to dangerous situations. It is important to locate panelboards in dry and well-ventilated areas to ensure safe and reliable operation. Furthermore, Section 312.3 of the NEC explicitly prohibits the placement of panelboards inside mechanical rooms or elevator rooms. Mechanical rooms typically house equipment such as heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, or HVAC systems, plumbing systems, and other mechanical devices. Elevator rooms contain elevator machinery, controls, and related equipment. These rooms often have limited space and may be subject to temperature fluctuations, humidity, and the presence of liquids. The NEC prohibits panelboards in these rooms to prevent damage to the electrical equipment and to ensure safe access for maintenance and repairs. Additionally, the presence of mechanical equipment can increase the risk of accidental contact with electrical components, posing a hazard to personnel. Panelboards should be installed in dedicated electrical rooms or other suitable locations that meet the requirements of the NEC and other applicable codes and standards. To summarize the key points, panelboards should not be located, firstly, near easily ignitable materials, secondly, in bathrooms, thirdly, in damp or wet locations, and fourthly, inside mechanical rooms or elevator rooms. These restrictions are in place to protect people and property from electrical hazards and to ensure the safe and reliable operation of electrical systems. Always consult with a qualified electrician and follow the requirements of the NEC and local codes when installing or maintaining panelboards. Ignoring these regulations can have serious consequences, including electric shock, fire, and property damage.